Hi, this is Foyaz F Rahman. Welcome back once again. Today I'm going to discuss about HP Intermediate Transfer Belt ITB or Transfer Kit is very low after replace transfer kit and how to solve it. If your HP MFP M776 is showing transfer belt very low or similar warning, it means that the Intermediate Transfer Belt ITB or Transfer Kit is nearing or has reached its end of life according to the printer's internal counter. Here's how to address it. Very low transfer belt means HP uses a consumable lifetime counter for things like the transfer belt divided by transfer kit. When it reaches a threshold, it warns you with messages like very low or replace transfer kit. What you should do, replace the transfer belt divided by ITB. This is the recommended solution. Here are step-by-step instructions for your model. First step. Power off and unplug. Turn the printer off, wait to 30 seconds, then disconnect the power cables. This reduces risk of electrical damage or injury. Open the right door. Access to the transfer belt is via the right side of the machine. Remove the old ITB. Grasp the two blue handles on the transfer belt. Pull it partially out, keeping alignment. Remove it fully. Be careful not to touch the shiny black belt surface to prevent damage. Unpack the replacement assembly carefully. Remove all packing materials. Avoid touching sensitive surfaces, especially the belt surface, which can lead to print defects. Install the new ITB. Align the blue tabs on the new belt with the guides inside the printer. Slide it in gently and let it snap into place. Use only the handles to push it in, do not press on the belt surface. Close the door and power on. Close the right door. Plug the machine in and turn it on. Print a test page to verify the printer is functioning properly. Once installed, the printer should reset its internal tracking of that component. The very low warning should disappear. Additional considerations divided by troubleshooting. Sometimes the very low warning persists even after replacing if the printer doesn't detect the new kit. Ensure the new ITB is genuine or properly compatible for the M776. Check for firmware updates for your printer. In some models, a newer firmware may properly recognize new supplies. Inspect sensors around the belt area for dirt or debris. Clean them gently if needed. A dirty sensor could misread the belt status. Inspect right side area of the belt, then reverse the direction of a gear point which connect to the printer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.